larger cuts of meat. If you want to, like when we set a glaze on our ribs or something, like maybe last night, just smoking it up a little bit, put some smaller chips like this on there, to really. Yeah, so typically your meat takes all the smoke in the first 45 minutes, an hour, they say.
Okay.
So you need to add a little smoke in the back. Some of like when you set your sauce and you're glazing, that'll pick up a little bit of smoke. Throw it, on top of it. Not too much if you go too heavy. So these are kiln dried.
Right.
So instead of building we might put some coals in the fire to get it going, but on our large, our big rotisseries, we're cooking 100+ racks at a time. We'll throw that in there and the flame will hit that and really smoke it out.
Okay.
And we'll put chunks in there, like
what?
lumber chunks.
Like what do you do?
Like what type?
We usually do like a saw. So your hickory and your mesquite, that's the hardwood flavor, which I like. But typically down here you got a little soft. We'll do cherry, peach. We got some apple. Apple's like the lightest wood, I feel like. But we love cherry. You gotta be careful with cherry because it'll turn your chicken stuff red. People, they kind of get
on the inside.
About that.
Yeah.
Feel like it's not cooked properly. So we take cherry off when we do chicken. But I'm a big peach guy. I mean, we're heavy on peach.